How to remove flashlight from lock screen in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your notification center and then press and hold on screen. Now click on customize and then click on lock screen. Firstly, if you add here flashlight icon, and if you want to remove this flashlight, then simply click on this minus icon and then click on plus, and here you can add another icon like airplane mode and then click on done. So this is the way to remove flashlight from lock screen in iPhone. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.